Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Facebook account. Here is how to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or app and log into your Facebook account using your email and password. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security and Login. In the left sidebar, find and click on Security and Login. This section contains all the security settings for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, either through a text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Facebook account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated for added safety.